calling me, it's coming from within. I'm going all in, no stalling, no matter how this ends. They could doubt me now, but won't say nothing to me when I tell them that I did it and I do it all again. I can hear my calling me, it's coming from within. I'm going all in, no stalling, no matter how this ends. They could doubt me now, but won't say nothing to me when I tell them that I did it and I do it all again. It's a daily occurrence, swimming against the current. It happens too often with no option but to endure it. When you wish you would have been stronger, but just weren't. Days keep getting longer and wearing on your endurance, cause people take advantage. You stand and take the damage, still managing to stand although you're standing empty-handed. But that's how you began this in the land, feeling stranded. And freedom's only granted once you demand to be unhanded. So learn from what you've been through, quit avoiding issues that you need to tend to. Reach within you, keep letting them take, and it'll just continue and send you into an adult rage. You gotta battle out of this rattled cage. It's the only option, the only one left. I'm not asking for approval, I'm just looking for respect. Cause life will throw you curveballs you didn't plan for. Then you gotta stand up against some shit that you don't stand for. It's like standing on the tracks trying to intimidate a train, with the intent to go the same extent to renovate the game. These words could only illustrate, I could demonstrate the same. Allow me to calibrate as I validate the claim. It's valid, it ain't a game. When I stimulate your brain, I'm forced to emulate and often imitate the same. So I'm taking aim against those who discriminate the strange, gently penetrate and incidentally generate a change. I can hear my calling me, it's coming from within. I'm going all in, no stalling, no matter how this ends. They could doubt me now, but won't say nothing to me when I tell them that I did it and I do it all again. For much, but you demand a lot. Say that I could use a change, and I can't stand the thought. I enjoy who I am and what I do and don't plan to stop. It'll be this way daily till they lay me beneath the plants to rot. I got one shot at this life, gonna take the chance I got. May miss a time or two, but I'll shoot until I land a shot. I know it won't be easy and no one's gonna hand me squat, so I'll shoot for the moon and hope I land on top. God damn, it's hot, I mean it feels like I live in hell. If I thought it'd help, I'd toss a quarter in the wishing well. I could close my eyes and make a wish, but wishes don't mean shit without the will to take a risk. So I'll take the risk and try to rearrange the stars. Who knows what could happen in a world as strange as ours. I'm just doing what I can, trying to fill the space between. Maybe I can make a difference, maybe I'm just chasing dreams.